Namaskar. Today we are going to see the LIC's latest children's plan, Amrit Pal, plan number 874. The main feature of the plan is guaranteed addition. LIC is giving 80 rupees for 1000 sum assured amount every year. This is the best plan for the children's higher education and the marriage expenses. Tax benefit is 80C for our payment of premiums and 10D coverage for maturity amount. Premium waiver benefit is also available in this plan without paying any extra premium. The mode of payment is yearly, half yearly, quarterly and monthly. There is also a grace period for our payment. Revival, paid up and surrender is also available in this policy. A loan facility is also available. A death benefit, insurance cover is covered for children's life. Maturity benefit for the death maturity benefit. There is an option for receiving lump sum or installment. The minimum age for this plan is 30 days of the children's age. Maximum age is 30. Minimum payment term 5, 6 or 7. Minimum maturity age 18. Maximum maturity age 25. Minimum term of the policy is it should be 10 years for limited premium. If it is single premium, 5 years is the minimum term of the policy. For death benefit, there is 4 options. For limited premium, option 1, 7 times of the annual premium or sum assured, which is the highest amount, is also given. Option 2, 10 times of the annual premium or sum assured. For single premium, there is also 2 options. That is called option 3, 1.2 times of the single premium. Option 4 is 10 times of the single premium with guarantee addition accrued in their account. Age 5, he is selecting for children's age 5, child age 5. The father selecting sum assured 5 lakhs. Premium for this 5 lakhs sum assured is 73,625 per year. He is selecting 7-year payment term. The policy term is 20 years. That is, child age is 5 and the maturity age is 25. So, 25 minus 5 is equal to the policy term. The guarantee addition for the 20 years term is 8 lakhs. 40,000. That is, 80 for 1000 is 1 year he is receiving 40,000 as guarantee addition. The term is 20 years. So, guarantee addition is 8 lakhs and the sum assured is 5 lakhs. So, total benefit is 13 lakhs. He is paying 73,625 per year for 7 years. So, totally he is paying 5 lakhs 15,375, but he is receiving 13 lakhs. If he is selecting option 1, he is going to pay 73,625. If he select option 2, 10 times of the premium he will get, and his premium is 73,900. Option 3, he should pay 3,89,225. Option 4, he is going to pay 4,12,600. This is the best policy for your child's higher education and the marriage expenses. Kindly subscribe my channel and share this video to all your friends and relatives. If you are having any doubts, kindly give in comment section. Thank you. We'll see you in the next video.